Morning, welcome to SHLR Technosoft. Today I am going to show about the Central University of Andhra Pradesh, that is in Anantapur. The page of the school, of the college, I am going to show you about the academics. The academics, we are coming like first with the model like class master. In the class master, we can just add different program or the courses which the college is using. Here we had given like different types of courses for the first semester, second, third, and up to sixth. And next we are coming with the different courses which the college has been offered. And next I'm coming with the section master, where like in a in one course, like we will be having like a B, C, and C sections, where we had given already a sections like A, B, and C sections. And next we are coming with the map class section. Here we can choose, here we mentioned already, we'll be getting a sections here. For example, I'm just showing you here already it has been saved, as you can just map for the sections for the courses for which we want to add on the programs for the course for the colleges. You can just see we have mentioned here for all first sem, second sem, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, up to 6 sems we have mentioned. And next I'm coming with the subjects master, where I can add my subjects. For example, if we had added here, where I'm just adding my subject data structure code, I can just give it as 555. Just so I can view. Here is evaluate means we have to give yes. So theory subject, where I have just added the subject. I'll just show you. You will be getting yeah, I've just added, you can just see where I've just added data structure, the subject code theory yes. And if you want, we can just delete option and edit option is there. This is about the adding subjects to the academics, and as usual we can just add it practical also here. If it is theory, we can just add it to theory, or it is practical, we can just add it as practical. This is about the we are adding subjects. Next we are assigning class teacher. Assign class teacher, where we can just select here BS Economics 1 and section E. Here we have mentioned the staff, where I can just give it as can just give save, where it is going to be shown here. I'll just show you. Here you can just see BS Economics section E, and the class teacher is Sam, where I can add or delete option also is there, but I'm just showing it as a deleted, where you'll be getting here data successfully deleted. You can just see here only two subjects has been assigned. Next I'm coming with the class timetable, where I can just assign before itself the classes, the prior itself, where I can just say BSc Economics 1 section E, BS Economics 1. We can just add the subjects for individual, for the teachers will be getting here. From the timing we have to mention here from 11 o'clock AM to next 11:45. Number 5, I'll just give same. Yeah, it has been updated automatically. It will be showing or I can just add for individual days. I can just add the teachers. Next I'm coming with the promote students. Where I can just promote the students. I have to select the courses from which they are studying. Section E and search. Here we're having a lot of interest. We can just show. If they continue, we can just give pass, continued. And the next we have to promote them. Just promote them for the year next for 2021 to 22. Where I have just mentioned once where I have successfully submit one student has been promoted. Usually we can just give all the student details where I can just promote them directly. And next I'm coming with the subject group. In the subject group we'll be getting like in one chapter we'll be getting around 6 to 7 topics. Here we can just add the topics where we have been added. You can just I'll just show you through Excel sheet. Here we can just see where we are introduced. We just added the courses and the subjects. Here we have done entries. Just see. And next I'm coming with the teachers timetable. The teachers timetable is been mentioned here. Here it has been mentioned already. As well, it has not been scheduled. We can just schedule it. You can just see here where I have scheduled at 11:45 to 11 to 11:45 a.m. It's on Monday. You can just see the schedules. As well, we can just schedule all the teachers where we'll be getting a complete details of this. Next, elective group master. You can just add elective groups here. BS Economics 1, Section E, elective group name. You can just give it as group. I'm just giving you an example. Group 22. Where I've just saved it. You can just see here where I have mentioned it. Group name group 22. For example, it's for the subjects. If you want, we can just add a subject name. Where, for example, I've just shown you as a group 22. And the program name is BSc, like BSc Economics Semester 1, Section E. You can just give all the entries we have just seen. You can just see here. As usual, I can just take a print copy and a PDF. Otherwise, I can just copy it. Where I'm showing you to in an Excel sheet, you can just go through this. This is the complete details we have just given. Like for example, group 22. You can just see where I have mentioned it. Next, I'm coming with the next we can just add elective to the group members. BS Economics section A, and the group is like where I mentioned it, group 22. You can just give save. Where the subject has been mentioned, will be just getting, we have to give save. And next we are coming with the assign elective. Where I can just assign the subjects become selection section E, and the elective group is 22. You can just add the students for this. Just select, and next we am just going save. It has been mentioned where we just added to the elective groups. Here we can just see it. I'll just show you. Here we'll be getting the subjects. Group 22, you can just see here. As well, you can just take an Excel copy here, where it is going to be mentioned here. This is complete information about the academics model. Thank you, Sir Challar.